Hello everyone, welcome to this video in Bold Reports. When working with dynamic data sets, you might need to calculate new values, format existing ones, or combine fields to create more meaningful insights. Expression columns allow you to transform your data directly within the report designer, all without modifying the data source. You can use expressions to perform calculations, apply conditional logic, or format data for better readability. In this video, I'll show you how to configure expression columns in an RDL report in the Bold Reports Report Designer. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I'll use the web version from the Bold Reports report server for this demo. Let's get started. First, create a new report in the report server and name it Query Expressions Report. Create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in SQL Server, and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I'll use the advanced option to enable it. Next, select None as the authentication type, since the connection string already has credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the Query Designer. Name the dataset Sales Dataset. Now, I'll show you how to create expression columns for the created dataset. Drag a table to the Query Designer surface and select the expression icon in the Query Designer toolbar. The Query Expressions dialog box will open. The expression icon in the toolbar will be in a disabled state when a table has not been dropped into the Query Designer surface. To create a new expression column, let's name the expression column Total Price. Then, define an expression in the expression text area. To add the function names and column names in the expression text area, double-click on the column name of your choice. For this example, I'll use unit price. Then add the following expression with the order quantity, since the expression will provide the total price value column. Then save it. Select Run to see the total price value column added in the preview area. Then click Finish to create the dataset. Next, we'll need to add a table to display sales details. Before adding the table, let's add a header. Enable the header area. Add a rectangle that will act as a container for the text, and resize it. Change the background color to enhance the look and feel. To add the header text, add a text box inside the rectangle and label it Sales Order Details. Next, format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, we can resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Next, add a table to display the sales details. And add the necessary columns. Then give it headers. And format them. Assign corresponding values to the data row. And add the total price value column expression that we created. And format them. Since the currency values need to be displayed in currency format, select the unit price and total price. And change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. Once the values are assigned to the table, apply some basic formatting to enhance their appearance. Select the header row and change the font family, weight, background color, and text color. In the same way, format the value rows. Now everything is ready to preview the report. Switch to Preview in the top panel. You'll see the report displaying the total price value columns that we added. In this video, I've shown you how to add an expressional column to a table report item. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.